Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a table in Gmail. So guys, if you need to insert a table in Gmail, so open your document and copy your table. So like I want to send this table, so select it. Now Control C. If you don't have Microsoft Word, so you can use Google Docs freely. Open any browser and search Google Docs. I will show you how. So log in your Gmail account and type here docs, sign in. Now create your table here. So insert and table. Then once you created your table, open Gmail. Compose. Enter the address where you want to send. Subject. Now Control V to paste your table. As we can see now, we have complete table. So this way you can create insert table in Gmail. Now just click on send. So this is a video guys to learn how to send, insert or create table in Gmail. If you have Microsoft Word, so create your table there. If you don't have, so use this free Google Docs and here you can create your table like this. So thanks for watching.